Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a kid-friendly spray cleaner for your bathroom, kitchen, countertops, general purposes, and keep kids friendly, towards kids friendly, and environmentally friendly. Although nothing is environmental friendly and nothing is kids friendly, but this is a formula that I took over and researching and a lot of stuff, and it's pretty much like the green Windex inspired, really. So I'm going to show you what you will need. First, I'll show you what you need. You will need coloring, food coloring. That's pretty cheap at Walmart. It's actually, now they knocked the price down to $2.97, and you can do a lot. You will need the Fabuloso. They actually put this down to $5.87 at Home Depot, so it's less than 10 cents for every 2 ounces. You will need a measuring cup, and you will need a funnel to pour, so I'll put that aside. Also too, you will need the cleaning vinegar. Okay, the cleaning vinegar is a lot cheaper than the real vinegar. I have the real vinegar, but the food grade vinegar is actually costs more. So cleaning vinegar is actually a lot better. And then you will need your gallon of water. Now, I made this ahead of time, so you can see right there. That's what the final product will look like. Okay. Yep, made all those. It's gonna be less than $1. Can you imagine? 4 gallon is less than $1. Why they sell you 32 ounces for $3? Anyway, if you buy this at the store, it will be 128. That's a 1 gallon. Divide by probably 3, so it'll be an equivalent to about $10 each. So imagine if when I finish this is $40. All that for $40, right? Almost $10 per gallon, an average. Okay, depend. This here cost me $1, less than $1. Anyway, so I'm going to use the other hand to show you how to do it. First, you just get your gallon, right? Your water gallon. And let me see if I can pan this out. Oh, this is panning in. Okay, I'm going to pan it out a little bit. Sorry. You will need your water. And you need your funnel. And you're going to need your measuring cup. Okay, the formula for this is 2 ounces of vinegar and 2 ounces of Fabuloso. Okay, so at first I'm gonna put the vinegar in. 2 ounces. Oh shoot, 2.5. But remember, just 2 ounces is good enough. Unless you like the smell of vinegar. Vinegar is always good to clean things with, so it's always good to put extra in. And then the Fabuloso. I smell of it. Sometimes I like the smell of it. Sometimes I don't. So that's up to you on that. Pour that in. And you are complete. Now, here comes the fun part. Okay, let me close some of this up. The fun part is that, remember, food coloring costs more, okay? So we want to use less. Okay? So what you do, instead of, if you see my other video, I dropped 5 drops. But because this is kids friendly and I want it to be environmental friendly, and I want, although these are food grade, they're safe, I want it to be a little less so I can conserve my my usage or save money. So I just need 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just to make it fun. Also too, you can make it distinctive. Meaning, green would be environmental friendly. Red, like for this case right here, green, environmental friendly. Red, or in this case rose pink, would be like toxic. And then the blue would be like multi-purpose usage or whatever. But anyway, and close this up and shake it. And all you have to do is shake it a little bit. And see? Now you just pour that into your, pour this into your spray bottle, and you're all set. You can clean, you can do multi-cleaning, and you can do extra of those. And see how they look? This is frosted up a little bit, but I think I drop a little extra in this one right here, so it's a little greener. But if you want to make it more greener, you can. Like this is not as green because I drop only 4. These are 5 drops, I think. I'm not sure, or maybe even I don't even know. Maybe even 3 drops, because I think they are dry, so they're dry, so they look a little different. But anyway, drop what you like. I mean, there's no need for this really. Absolutely, you don't need this whatsoever, because this add on to your cost. You don't really need it. But for me though, I want to make it fun. I want to make it distinctive. I wanted to so I'll know that the green is friendly. That's like, you know, countertops, kitchen, things like that, like general purpose wipes. Then I use the blue one for my other stuff, like my windshields and stuff. That would work. And then for the red one, I'm gonna mix that one next, but it's a different chemical. But these are just, you know, wipes, the general purpose wipes, and you can tell. See how the bubbles? That means it has a cleaning agent in there. And see, when I shake it, see, if you take Windex, you can actually see exactly like it. It's pretty close to Windex. So if you shake it and then you put it back, it's exactly like Windex, almost, to most of it out there. So if you go to the store and you can try it, and it'll pretty much do almost the same. But anyway, I guess that's about it. It's easy. It's, as you can see, it's really easy to make those, and quick and simple with simple ingredients. I've tested on glass, and it does make squeaky sound. For instance, I'm gonna demonstrate right here. Dip my hand in there, and there's a little dirt right here. See, it makes squeaky sound, and like little dirt right here. It won't clean as good because this is environmental friendly, but it's for general purpose wiping. It'll take some stuff off, but it won't take like these things off right here. You're gonna need a power more agent, and I don't know what that is right there either. So I'm gonna get a piece of my green towel, and see, I'm just gonna wipe. Like for instance, let's say if I want to wipe it right there. See the sound? See? It takes grease off too. See? So it's pretty environmental friendly, and it doesn't leave any streaks. See, these comes off right here. This comes off. Where our hand touches the most. You know? And I'm not even wetting it. I'm just soaking it in or something. Maybe there's a little grease right here. Maybe that will come off. I don't know if you can see them on videos. There's a little grease right there. Let me try it, see if it will come off. Yeah, it actually does. So, like I said, it's just kids friendly, environmentally safe wipers, cleaners. See? It's just sort of like general purposes, like a counter right here, you know, counter wipes and things like that. I mean, general purposes. I mean, we're throwing money out anyway. Might as well try to make our own rain. But like I said, you can't beat the price either. That cost me less than $1 for 4 of those, and it smells pretty good. It smells really good. I wish you can smell it. They should invent that. Take whatever the smells from here, process it out, and then have a container at your house that it squirts out all the smells, the known smells in this world, and mix them all together. Hey, that's another idea right there. Instant smell. It sniff it from here, right? And then you have a container at your house, okay? And whatever I'm smelling here, it processed through, it sniff it through the computer, not the computer, but send it through the internet and send it to your house, and then it's pump out that smell, so you actually smell exactly what I smell here by having a sniffer. Like, it'll sniff it, it'll process through your computer, and then it'll pump it out to your to you. Get it? Pretty much the same thing as like sending an email, but it's just a smell form. That would be a nice idea, right? To invent that. Anyway, so that's all you really need. Simple as that. And as you notice, you see how it says 1 gallon makes 64. I mean, 1 gallon total makes 64 gallons of cleaning fluid. And like I said, you don't need this. You can keep your costs down. Maybe just keep it white. Your friendly cleaning solution will be white. That way you don't have to use your green. But if you want to make it kid friendly, and kids likes to hold things with color. As you know, everybody likes color. And color actually makes, you know, smoother, kids would get into it for cleaning. If you have like a little kid helping you in cleaning and stuff, that would be nice too. So if you have them that way, it will help them to help you to clean. So you can put the food coloring in. But other than that, if you don't, you can always experiment. But I'll list everything in the video for I have to wipe some of this off now because this I will list everything in the descriptions of what you need, what you will need. That way you can copy it, and you can do this by yourself. You saw the main ingredients. The main ingredients vinegar, really, but this is the cleaning vinegar. And I got it for $1.77. And if I calculate this all out, this is 64 ounces, 2 quarts. If I calculate this all out, is equal to about 5 cents. So practically, it'll be 15 cents. 15 to 20 cents per, depending where you live, 15 to 20 cents per gallon. If 15, let's say I'll take 20 cents. So 20, 40, 60, 80 cents for 4 gallon. That's an equivalent of $40 right there on the market right now. So if you go and buy that, certain stuff, environmental friendly stuff, blah blah blah, is $3 something each for like what? Less than 32 ounce. 32 and 32 and 32, it's like $3.50. $3.50 and $3.50, that's $7. It would have been equivalent to $14 per gallon. So 14 and 14, that's 28. 28 and 28 will be $56. What you're looking at there is $56. It cost me less than $1 to make. 20, 40, 60, 80 cents each. That's it. It cost me 80 cents. You buy that on the market, it'll be $56. Can you imagine? But anyway, that's about it. Quick and easy and simple. And as you saw how I try to clean over here, and it gave no streak. Oh, I forgot, no streak either. No streak shines. Yep, you heard it right. But experiment first, because sometimes the streaks though sometimes come from the vinegar itself, because if you use bad vinegar, or if you use vinegar that is not filtered correctly, like I've tried apple cider vinegar. Don't try that one. I don't recommend it. Use the cleaning vinegar right here, cleaning all-purpose cleaners, because I tried using that. It didn't really squeak too good, and also it leaves like a smudge. So please don't try those. Use the cleaning vinegar. That's my suggestion right there. But anyway, other than that, that's about it. And I hope you can save a lot of money on your cleaning, especially this formula here. It is like a kid-friendly or like an adult. I use this. I'm gonna use this a lot. So that's why I made tons of it, because I have, as you see in my other videos, I'm very sensitive to smell, and I can smell the vinegar, but I can't smell a lot of other stuff. So that's why I made a lot of batch on this. And then you just pour this into your, I got these for free from the Poland Spring bottle right here. So you're just going to pour that into your spray bottle. So make sure to get a good spray bottle, because some spray bottle will get clogged or whatever. That's another tip right there. So make sure to get a good spray bottle. And as long as you get the good spray bottle, you should be good with these cleanings. And all you do is just spray and wipe. That's all there is really. So you're basically throwing money away. But if you follow this video here, you're going to save a lot of money on your cleaning. And then watch out for my next one. I'm going to make the car version. I'm going to make grease and grime version. That will be my next, for like cleaning your lawnmowers, cleaning car stuff, cleaning grease from the engine or your hand or things like that. It's going to be my grease, grease and grime formula next. Okay. Other than that, that's about it. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next video.